Good morning, this is Prakash, and today I'm going to solve a hackerrank problem which is named as digit frequency. And let's get into the question. And this is a question that they are given. Uh, the problem is stating that it's given a string as containing of alphabets and digits. Find the frequency. We should find the frequency of each digit in the given string. Okay. The input format is like this. The first line contains a string, common number, which is the given number. Okay. The constraints are 1 less than or equal to length of the number less than or equal to 1000, and the output should be we have to print 10 space separated integers in a single line denoting the frequency of each digit from 0 to 9. Okay. Okay, the sample input is uh, let's let's check out a sample input. Here the input is given as 8114720 and 6. Let's check the output once by estimating. We have to find the digit frequency, right? Digit frequency means the number of times the digit has repeated. Okay, here 1 has repeated 2 times, so it's given 2, and we should find only the digit frequency. So for alphabets it gives 0, and then 4 repeated 1 time, 7 repeated 1 time, 2 repeated 1 time, 5 repeated 1 time, 6 repeated 1 time, and remaining all are zeros. Okay, let's get into the code and let's check it out. Where is this? Yeah, skin. Okay. Okay, let's code it out. Okay, now we should input a string with digits. Okay, for inputting the string I'm going to take like this. I'm going to take you can give the length of the string as much you want, but I'm going to give some thousand, 100 or 1000, that's our wish, no problem. And next I'm going to initialize some variables, int I comma j comma, and finally count equal to 0. Just initializing count is equal to 0. And next we have to uh, give the number of, we should scan the string, right? So I'm for scanning a string I'm going to write scanf of percentage s and comma s. We should not give ampersand here. Okay, for inputting a string we should not give the ampersand, right? Yeah, now we have to find the digit frequency from 0 to 9. Okay, we should count the digit frequency from 0 to 9. Now for that purpose I'm going to assign one variable to that 0 to 9. Okay, for j is equal to 0, j less than equal to 10, or j less than or equal to 9, no problem. It will terminate at j equal to 10, j plus plus. And here another for loop for i is equal to 0, and next s of I not is equal to s of I not is equals to, you can give here as you can give right like this also slash 0, or you can give simply 0. Why? Because while inputting a string by default there will be a slash 0. Okay, by default there will be a slash 0, so that we should no need to take that 0. So when we are going through the string, when the slash 0 is done, it will be terminated. So I am giving this condition. And next I plus plus, and next if we are going to check that, right? If s of I is equal to j, sorry, here we should give minus 48. Why? Because I will tell you. So s of I minus 48 is equal to 0. Let's see one example. If we take s of I as a, what is the ASCII value of a? It's 67, right? Yeah, 67 minus 48 is equal to j, means initially the j value is 0. So that purpose, if s of I minus 48 is equal to, so if I have not included minus 48 here, if s of I means 67, for example. So if 67 equal to j, what is the ASCII value of 0? It's 48, right? So it is not equal. When I have taken minus 48, it gives the values from 0 to 9. Okay, so that purpose I have taken minus 48. That's all. And next I'm going to increment that count plus printf percentage d comma count, and next I'm going to again initializing that count is equal to 0. Why? Because after terminating this for loop, the compiler will comes to this printf, and after, if not there, count equal to 0, and it goes on incrementing. So again assuming count is equal to 0 for checking the another numbers, return 0. That's all, our code is completed. Let's compile it. I'm going to dg.c. Yeah, okay. ASQ 11245. Yeah, that's completed, right? So thank you. Thanks for watching my video. That's all. Thank you.